Now we're going to go through it backwards. Okay, only using the two side mirrors. Okay, so I'm going to adjust my mirror so I can see the cones. Okay, so if you look, I can see the cones in the side of the car. I'm going to put my car in reverse. Now, when you back up around an object, you have to wait until your tire is by the object. And you want to stay about at least 3 feet from the object. So, I'm going to start backing up, only looking at my left mirror. Okay? Now, my left tire, my left rear tire is by the cone. So I'm going to start turning to the left. And I'm going to look in my right mirror until I can see 4 cones, because there's 5 cones. Once I see the 4th cone, look at my steering wheel. Notice how it's turned a little bit. So I turn it so it comes flat. Now notice I'm going straight back, but I can see that cone in my right mirror. Now I'm going to slightly turn towards it until my back right tire, my rear right tire, gets to the cone, because it's where I'm sitting. And now I'm going to turn to the right. Now I'm looking in my left mirror. So I'm going to see 3 cones. And there's the 3rd cone. 3 feet from it, I straighten out my steering wheel and rotate it a 360. So I'm going straight back. Now I'm just looking at the cone and I'm watching my back tire, and I'm 3 feet from it, and once my back tire gets to it, I turn to the left. Now there's 2 cones left. I'm looking in my right mirror. Now, watch how I straighten out the car. So I'm looking forward. I want to bring the front of the car to the right, so I have to turn to the left. So notice the front of the car is coming over to the right. Now, once it straightens out, I want to stop it. And remember, in order to stop the direction the front of your car is going, you have to turn the direction it's going. So I turn the steering wheel so it's flat, and now notice how the front's going straight back. So you have to turn one way to get it over here, because remember your car goes opposite ways in reverse, and then once you get it here, you straighten it out.